All good. Going back to my slides. Why we're going through all of these details is as Apex evolves, Universal Team evolves, there's like new components come into play. It's very important to keep up to date with it, and unfortunately not all of us have ways of like following all the upgrades when sort of if your company is on 18.1 and then 18.2 comes along and 19.1 comes along and now 19.2, how do you sort of keep up with it? But it's important because different versions are going to bring different components and different features, right? And for example, floating labels were like a huge deal for us. Reflow reports or toggle reports are very useful for mobile applications. And I just wanted to list them here because all of this is adding to complexity that of the forms and screens that we can build with Apex. With 19, pretty much we all heard about Facet Search, which is coming in 19.2. There was in 19.1, I think there was a new version of Universal Team. So if you guys ever upgrade, please make sure that you also refresh your Universal Teams as well, and stay subscribed, of course. New enhanced LOVs coming up, like which we all waited for with the new filtering stuff. And before we jump into the demo, Karen, is it possible to run a poll question now, please?
Okay, the poll is open now, and we're going to give that about a minute for people to answer.
Thank you. All good. Think we can continue now?
Yes, the poll is now closed.
Perfect, thank you, Karen. All good. And now we went through all the hard bits, which is just giving you an intro of what's hidden behind Universal Team, what features we can use and utilize. And why we did all of it is because we want to make users happy and we want to make rich applications, right?